Have you ever felt your heart race when you needed to speak English? Do you worry about making mistakes or not being understood? If so, you are not alone. Many people around the world share the same anxieties when it comes to speaking a second language. Learning a new language takes courage. It means stepping outside of your comfort zone. It can feel uncomfortable at times, but remember, every English speaker started as a learner. The good news is that everyone can improve their spoken English. With the right approach and consistent effort, you can overcome those insecurities and speak with confidence. This essay will guide you through practical steps and strategies to help you find your voice in English. Let's embark on this journey together. You've got this. Speaking English confidently opens doors to a world of possibilities. It enhances your personal and professional life in countless ways. Imagine traveling the world, connecting with people from different cultures, and expressing yourself clearly and effectively. In today's globalized world, English proficiency is a valuable asset. It can boost your career prospects, enabling you to pursue international opportunities and collaborate with colleagues worldwide. From business meetings to academic conferences, confident English communication empowers you to share your ideas and make a lasting impact. Beyond the professional realm, confident English enriches your personal life. It allows you to forge meaningful connections with people from all walks of life, expanding your horizons and deepening your understanding of the world. Whether you're ordering food in a foreign country or engaging in a lively debate, the ability to communicate effectively in English empowers you to live life to the fullest. One of the biggest hurdles to speaking English confidently is the fear of making mistakes. It's natural to feel self-conscious about grammar or pronunciation, but remember that everyone makes mistakes, especially when learning a new language. Embrace your mistakes as stepping stones to fluency. Instead of dwelling on them, view them as opportunities for growth. Each error is a chance to learn and improve. Another common challenge is the lack of practice opportunities. You might not live in an English-speaking country or have many native speakers to practice with. However, there are plenty of ways to create immersive language experiences right where you are. Embrace every opportunity to speak English, whether it's with a language partner online, in a local English conversation group, or even by talking to yourself. Remember, the key is consistency and not letting fear hold you back. If you're enjoying this content so far, don't forget to like the video. Improving your spoken English requires consistent practice and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. Here are some practical tips to help you on your journey. Find a language partner. Connect with a native speaker or fellow English learner for regular conversation practice. Online platforms and language exchange apps can help you find a language buddy. Set achievable goals. Start with small, attainable goals, such as having a 5-minute conversation or watching an English TV show episode without subtitles. As you progress, gradually increase the difficulty of your goals. Use positive affirmations. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations. Tell yourself, I am becoming a more confident English speaker every day. Visualize success. Imagine yourself speaking English fluently and confidently in various situations. Visualization can help boost your confidence and reduce anxiety. Section 5, My Journey, My Victory. I had a client who vividly recalled his struggles with speaking English. Growing up in a non-English speaking country, he had limited opportunities to practice. He felt tongue-tied and self-conscious whenever he tried to express myself. Determined to overcome his fear, he started small. He joined an online English conversation group and practiced daily. At first, it was nerve-wracking, but he gained more confidence with each conversation. He listened to English podcasts and watched movies with subtitles. Gradually, he internalized the rhythm and intonation, improving my fluency. The journey wasn't easy, but my persistence paid off. Today, he confidently communicates in English in both personal and professional settings. Looking back, he is grateful for the challenges that pushed me to grow and achieve my goal. Section 6. Finding your voice. Remember that speaking English confidently is not about achieving perfection. It's about expressing yourself authentically. Embrace your unique voice and accent. Don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. The more you practice, the more natural and effortless speaking English will become. Celebrate your progress along the way, no matter how small. Each step forward is a victory worth acknowledging. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage your language learning journey. Seek out communities and online forums where you can connect with fellow English learners and share tips and experiences. Remember, you are not alone on this journey. Millions of people around the world are learning English, and many have faced similar challenges. Embrace the learning process, be kind to yourself, and never give up on your dream of speaking English confidently. Section 7. Keep going. Mastering any new skill takes time and effort. Speaking English confidently is a journey, not a destination. There will be days when you feel discouraged, but remember why you started. Think about the doors that confident English communication can open for you. Visualize yourself achieving your goals and living your dreams. Let those aspirations fuel your motivation and keep you moving forward. Remember, every little bit of practice counts. Consistency is key when it comes to language learning. Don't be afraid to experiment with different learning methods. Some people learn best through immersion, while others prefer a more structured approach. The key is to find a method that you enjoy and that fits your learning style. Section 8. Join the conversation. Now that you're equipped with practical tips and inspiring stories, it's time to take action. Start by implementing one or two of the strategies outlined in this essay. Remember to be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. We'd love to hear about your language learning journey. Share your experiences, challenges, and triumphs in the comments below. Let's create a supportive community where we can encourage and learn from each other. Together, we can overcome our insecurities and unlock the world of possibilities that fluent English communication provides. Happy speaking! Please like, share, and subscribe for more of our content. Also, remember to use the notification bell to be alerted when we publish new content.